Welcome everybody to Season 1, Race 4 of the Nurtec DieCast Ramp Racing Series. Here is your lineup for this race. Our first matchup has 4 of the most consistent cars this season. It's the 7 of Corey LaJoie, the 8 of Tyler Reddick, the 42 of Ross Chastain, and the 17 of Chris Buescher. Here they come. All of these guys, as of right now, have a playoff spot in the NDRRS. LaJoie grabs the lead and blocks Chastain and Buescher successfully. He will move on. Next up is the 3 of Austin Dillon, the 88 of Matt Crafton, the 10 of Aric Almirola, and the 2 of Brad Keselowski. Here they come. Crafton out front early. Austin Dillon's going to spin into the wall. Almirola's spinning Brad Keselowski, and an easy win for Matt Crafton. Next up is the 6 of Ryan Newman, the 51 of Cody Ware, the 00 of Quin Houff, and the 9 of Chase Elliott. Here they come. Quin Houff, Ryan Newman out to the early leads. Quin Houff is getting turned. A very close finish at the line. Cody Ware flying through the air and is upside down. Here's the photo finish cam. Ryan Newman getting his nose across the line first, and then Cody Ware just gets projected off Noah Gregson's hood and flies into the air. Next up is the 52 of Josh Bilicki, the 78 of BJ McLeod, the 48 of Alex Bowman, and the 23 of Darrell Wallace Jr. Here they come. McLeod, Bowman, Bilicki, neck and neck. Bowman's heading for the wall. McLeod is going to get an easy victory. Bubba Wallace took himself out of contention for the 4th race in a row. Next up is the 15 of James Davison, the 37 of Ryan Preece, the 43 of Erik Jones, and the 4 of Kevin Harvick. Here they come. James Davison gets into Ryan Preece. James Davison spinning everybody toward the wall. Kevin Harvick channeling his inner Wright brothers and flying through the air. James Davison backs across the line to win. Here's another look at this one. Kevin Harvick hits the wall, back into traffic. Ryan Preece has nowhere to go, and Kevin Harvick gets thrown into the air and floats there. Wow. Next up is the 22 of Joey Logano, the 16 of AJ Allmendinger, the 53 of Joey Gase, and the 41 of Cole Custer. Here they come. Allmendinger and Logano neck and neck. Gase is getting turned into the wall. A very close finish at the line again between AJ Allmendinger and Joey Logano. Here's the finish. AJ Allmendinger by just a fender gets out in front and wins the race over Joey Logano. Wow. Next up we have the 47 of Ricky Stenhouse Jr., the 96 of Ty Dillon, the 1 of Kurt Busch, and the 77 of Justin Haley. Here they come. Stenhouse is going to get turned into Kurt Busch. Haley and Ty Dillon heading for the wall. Kurt Busch is going to win the race. Next up is the 66 of Timmy Hill, the 20 of Christopher Bell, the 21 of Matt DiBenedetto, and the 33 of Austin Cindric. Here they come. The top 3 neck and neck. DiBenedetto's going to get turned into Timmy Hill. Timmy Hill gets through it and wins the race and eliminates the car who has finished 3rd 2 races in a row. Next up is the 14 of Chase Briscoe, race 3 winner, number 38, Anthony Alfredo, the 12 of Ryan Blaney, and the 11 of Denny Hamlin. Here they come. Hamlin out to the early lead. Ryan Blaney falling back. Hamlin heat-seeking Anthony Alfredo, and he is going to play dirty and win the race. Ryan Blaney piles in and hits Alfredo. What is happening? Next up, we have the 18 of Kyle Busch, the 99 of Daniel Suárez, and the 34 of Michael McDowell. Here they come. Suárez gets his nose out front. McDowell's going to spin toward the wall. Kyle Busch is going to hit the wall as well. That's an easy win for Daniel Suárez. Next up is the 5 of Kyle Larson, the 24 of William Byron, and the 19 of Daniel Suárez. Here they come. Truex out to the early lead. Larson going to try to play dirty. He is going to spin the 19. Truex is going to hold on to the lead and cross the line in front of Larson. He will move on. Alright, and with that, that was the last matchup of round number 1. These are the drivers that have advanced into round number 2. First up, it is the 99 of Daniel Suárez, the 7 of Corey LaJoie, and the 11 of Denny Hamlin. Here they come. LaJoie and Hamlin out front. Oh, they're both heading for the wall. LaJoie and Hamlin both hard hits. Suárez drives under the upside-down car of Corey LaJoie. Daniel Suárez is moving on to the semifinals. Hard crash. Wow. So here comes LaJoie toward the wall. He impacts the wall right there. Then Daniel Suárez, I think, tries to stunt drive under Corey LaJoie. Just nicks the left rear tire, and that sends Corey LaJoie over. And now he's spinning like a top here. Next up is the 15 of James Davison, the 66 of Timmy Hill, and the 88 of Matt Crafton. Here they come. Crafton out to the early lead. Now everybody starts spinning toward the wall. Crafton is going to cross the line backwards, and he moves on in style. Next up is the 78 of B.J. McLeod, the 19 of Martin Truex Jr., and the 1 of Kurt Busch. Here they come. Kurt Busch out to the early lead. Oh, he's getting turned by Truex into McLeod. What a save! Kurt Busch straightens it out and gets to the line first. He is going to move on. Next up is the 6 of Ryan Newman and the 16 of A.J. Allmendinger. Here they come. Neck and neck, Newman and Allmendinger drag racing to the line. It's going to be Ryan Newman by a fender getting the victory. All right, that does it for round number 2. Here are the 4 drivers that are into the semifinals. First off, it is the 99 of Daniel Suárez versus the 6 of Ryan Newman. Here they come. Newman out to the early lead. Contact. Suárez is going to go into the wall. That's an easy win for Ryan Newman. He is going to move on into the finals. Next up is the 88 of Matt Crafton and the 1 of Kurt Busch. Here they come. Kurt Busch and Matt Crafton, contact made. Kurt Busch is going to win. The Cinderella story continues. Crafton upside down after the finish. And now for your third place matchup, the 99 of Daniel Suárez and the 88 of Matt Crafton. Here they come. Crafton, Suárez side by side, contact. Suárez heading for the wall. Matt Crafton is going to get third place. All right, Ryan Newman versus Kurt Busch. Both of these drivers have never seen the podium before, and now they are fighting for the race 4 win here. Here they come. Kurt Busch noses out to the early lead. Ryan Newman is going to spin toward the wall. Kurt Busch is going to take round number 1. Here they come. They're neck and neck, drag racing toward the line. Very close finish. I think it was Newman, but we'll have to take a closer look at it just to be sure. All right, the photo finish cam shows and confirms Ryan Newman is the winner of round number 2. All right, here they come. It's round 3. The winner is going to win race number 4. Newman and Kurt Busch heading for the wall. Newman is going to cross the line. What a comeback by the 6 car. Ryan Newman never gave up after losing round 1 to Kurt Busch. He fights back, wins the next 2 rounds, and that is going to get him the race 4 win.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing?